Welcome to today's video. In today's video, I want us to look at how to make money with your savings without investing it. How you can make money with your savings without investing it. Are you a Nigerian in Nigeria, or a Nigerian in diaspora, or a non-Nigerian who lives in Nigeria who is saving money in Naira? I want to let you know that there is a way you can save your money without investing it and still overcome the downward trend of the Nigerian Naira. So now I want to show you step by step how you can overcome the impact on inflation on your savings. Now let's look at, for instance, 8 years ago, you had a savings of about 100,000 naira 8 years ago. By Nigerian savings interest rate, 100,000 naira will attract 1,000 naira interest in 1 year. That is to say, Nigerian interest rate for savings is 1%. Now that means that if you have a savings of 100,000 naira in January 1st, by December 31st, your money will become 101,000 naira. So if by 8 years ago that you save 100,000 naira, you have 100,000 naira in your savings, by Nigeria of today you will be having 108,000 naira. Now alternatively, let's assume that you want to explore a better savings option such as fixed deposit. Now if you have a fixed deposit, if you are familiar with the banking services in Nigeria, fixed deposits attract 4% with old generation banks, 4% per annum, and younger generation, some of them give you 4.5% or 5% per annum. Now let's go by 4% per annum. If you have a savings of if you have a savings of 100,000 naira in fixed deposits 8 years ago, today the value of your money will become 132,000 naira. 132,000 naira. So now, as at 8 years ago, a bag of rice was sold for 8,500, 9,000, or 10,000. Let's take approximate 10,000 naira. 8 years ago, 100 bags of rice, 100,000 naira could buy 10 bags of rice. 10 bags of rice. But in today's Nigeria, 100,000 naira can only buy 2 bags of rice. 2 bags of rice. That is to say, the value of 100,000 naira 8 years ago is no more the value of 100,000. It's now 20%. It has lost 80% of its value. It has lost 80% of its value in today's Nigeria. So putting your money in savings, in Naira savings account or in Naira fixed deposit account is the best way to destroy the value of your money. Now let's look at another scenario. Now, as at 8 years ago, in our instance, dollar was 360 per dollar, 360 naira per dollar. So let's assume that 8 years ago that you save your money in Naira, 100,000 naira in a bank. In fixed deposit, let's take the fixed deposit is a better saving platform. Fixed deposit, and today your money worth 132,000 naira. So, and we have shown that if with our comparison with bag of rice, that with 132,000 naira you can just buy approximately 3 bags of rice, whereas your money was able to buy 10 bags of rice 8 years ago. Have you seen the differences? So now your money could buy approximately 3 bags of rice. It has lost so much. So now let's assume that you made your savings in dollar. 8 years ago, the value of dollar was 360 naira. Today, the value of dollar is above 1,000 naira. we are having 1,025 naira, we are having 1,050 naira. So today we are having $1 for over 1,000 naira. That is to say, if you have saved your money in dollar 8 years ago, today you are having times 3 of the value of your money. You are having times 3 of the value of your money. Whereas if you have saved it in naira 8 years ago, you are having less than, you are having 70% lost from your money. You are having 70% lost from the value of your money. So that is why I say I want to show you in this video how you can make your savings without losing the value of your money, how you can use your savings without investing it and make more money. Then how do you go about it? If you have savings with any bank, just go to your bank, tell them that you want to open domiciliary account. It doesn't require much. They will ask you to bring 2 references. They will ask you to bring utility bill, and you bring means of identification. Once these things are ready, they will open a domiciliary account for you, a dollar account. Then you start saving your money in dollars. Naira is above 1,000. Dollar is above 1,000 naira today. Is still on the downward trend. Given to all the economic indices we have today, naira is still on a downward trend. We are still borrowing. We are still importing pencils, we are still importing eraser, we are still importing even tissue. Are you aware that we import tissue in this country? We are still importing pencils, matches. So I'm just want to cite instances with the some embarrassing products we import in this country. I don't want to talk about electronics, cars or whatever. So that is to say, and we are still borrowing. Mind you, we are still borrowing. Presently, we don't have any economic policy running. We don't have any economic team. We only have loan hunters team. So we are still hunting for loans all over the world. So naira is still on the downward trend. So in order to hedge your savings from the erosion of inflation, what you do, get your domiciliary account. If you are using Stanbic IBTC, they have a platform on their apps where you can even purchase dollar from your savings with the app, you know, put it and save it with them. If you don't have such account, you can alternatively go to Aboki and buy your dollar, go to your bank and deposit it as dollar. We are still running down. 2 years ago, I told people that's close to me that naira will go for 1,250 naira per dollar in the nearest future. Some of them were against it. They say, "What? How do you mean?" I say, given the economic indices we have prevailing now, this is where we are going to. And today we're already above 1,000 naira. Well, 2 years ago, in fact, 2 years ago was better than what we have today. With what we are having today, naira is heading for 2,500 naira per dollar. This may happen in less than 18 months. So if you want to save your money, save it in dollars. Save your money in dollars. Get a domiciliary account, buy dollar, put in your domiciliary account, save in dollars. If you're Nigerian outside abroad, send your money in dollars and keep it in DOM account. If you are a Nigerian at home, buy dollars and put it in a DOM account. As much as you can, keep your money in dollars. It is handy. Whenever you want to withdraw it, you can withdraw it and solve your problem. It's also free from any risk investment. If you also want your dollar savings to appreciate, please, this is not an affiliate marketing. I recommend you use Stanbic IBTC. Stanbic IBTC has platform where you can save your money in money market in dollars. It attracts 6 to 7% interest per annum. So you can also explore such option in order to save money. So I'm providing this information for people to save their money from the erosion of inflation that has befallen this nation. If you are current with Invent, you notice that today, mark the day I post this video, Today, the rate of inflation is increasing by 26.9%. That is in today's news. So, this is not a financial advice anywhere. It is for educational purposes. But I just want you to be aware of where we are and where we are going to, and how to save yourself and save your hard-earned income from getting eroded by the prevailing inflation. Thank you for watching this video. I want you to subscribe to this channel and give it a thumbs up, so that also click on the notification bell, so that whenever I produce videos like this, you shall be notified of it. In this channel, I teach on how to make money online and how to be financially intelligent and aware in order to live a successful life. Thank you for watching, and God bless.